A snowflake starts out as a tiny ice crystal formed on a small particle like dust or pollen in the sky. As it falls to the ground, water vapor condenses onto its surface and it grows into a beautiful hexagonal structure, a shape that has 6 sides or points. Hello everyone, I'm Akiko from Studio X, a makerspace inside the Fleet Science Center. The environment, like temperature and humidity of the air that surrounds the ice crystal, affects the way it grows. And since no two snowflakes follow the exact same path at the exact same time, each ice crystal will grow under slightly different conditions. As a result, it is said no two snowflakes are exactly alike. Today, we are making paper snowflakes. When you fold a sheet of paper and cut out a shape, you will get some copies of the original shape. The number of copies and the orientation of the shapes depends on how you fold the paper. Perfect snowflakes have 6 nearly identical sections. Let's find out how to fold a sheet of paper to produce 6 symmetrical patterns and transform plain sheets of paper into beautiful snowflakes. For this project, you will need paper, scissors, and pencil. We are going to start with a square paper, so first fold down one corner of the paper diagonally to make a triangle and trim off the excess. When you open it, it is a perfect square. Take the square and fold it in half diagonally and fold it again in half to make a smaller triangle. The next step is to fold the triangle in thirds. This part is a little tricky. It is almost like folding the triangle in half again, but instead, fold the right side over a little less so that the angle over here is the same as the angle over here. Then fold the left side over the other way. You might need to make some adjustments so the edges match up perfectly. When you are happy with how the edges are aligned, you can press and flatten the folds. Now you cut the top off and cut out a design. You can start cutting out random triangles or other shapes with scissors, or use a pencil and draw a design before cutting it out. Here I am shading the parts I am going to cut out. Make sure there is no line going all the way across. If you cut all the way across, you will lose half of the snowflake. It is sometimes hard to cut the folded paper with many layers. Using the part of the scissors near the pivot point works well when you are cutting thick materials. But if it's still difficult, ask an adult to help you with the cutting for safety. To make smaller snowflakes, use thin paper like parchment paper in the kitchen. It makes it much easier to cut out a design. When you are done cutting out your design, carefully unfold your snowflake and flatten the creases. These are stunning images of snowflakes photographed by Bentley. Captivated by the beautiful structure of snowflakes, Bentley, who was born in 1865, photographed the images of more than 5,000 snowflakes in his lifetime. But how would you cut out these beautiful patterns found in nature? Here are some pictures of paper snowflakes I made. Every snowflakes you make will be slightly different, just like the real ones. If you made some paper snowflakes, please take a picture and share it with us. And for more fun projects you can try at home, please check out our other videos on Fleet TV. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you again soon.